Cooking is more than just preparing meals. It's about creating experiences, sharing moments, and taking care of your health. This GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 12-inch Frying Pan Skillet with Lid is designed to elevate your cooking experience while promoting healthier eating habits. Crafted with care, sustainability, and functionality in mind, this skillet brings together the best of non-stick innovation and eco-conscious design. If you're searching for cookware that combines style, performance, and environmental responsibility, this GreenLife frying pan is a game changer. Here's everything you need to know about why this skillet deserves a spot in your kitchen. Why the GreenLife 12-inch frying pan stands out? In a sea of cookware options, the GreenLife Soft Grip Frying Pan has carved a niche for itself with its unique features and unmatched benefits. Here's what sets it apart. 1. Healthy nonstick coating. The pan features a ceramic nonstick coating made from sand, ensuring your food releases effortlessly. Free from harmful toxins like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, this pan promotes healthier meals for you and your family. 2. Eco-friendly construction. Crafted from 65% recycled aluminum, this skillet minimizes environmental impact without compromising on quality. Its innovative manufacturing process reduces CO2 emissions by 60% compared to traditional nonstick coatings. 3. Ergonomic and stylish design. The soft grip handles stay cool during cooking, offering comfort and control. Available in vibrant colors, it adds a pop of personality to your kitchen. 4. Versatile performance. Compatible with all stovetops except induction and oven safe up to 350 Fahrenheit, this pan is perfect for various cooking methods. 5. Durable glass lid. The included lid allows you to monitor your cooking without losing heat or moisture, ensuring perfectly cooked dishes every time. Features that make a difference. 1. Toxin-free cooking. GreenLife's Thermalon non-stick coating eliminates harmful chemicals often found in traditional pans. You can cook with peace of mind, knowing your meals are free from unwanted toxins. 2. Effortless cleanup. The non-stick surface ensures that food slides off easily, making cleanup a breeze. The pan is also dishwasher safe for added convenience. 3. Wobble-free base. The skillet's reinforced base ensures even heating, preventing hot spots that can ruin your food. 4. Snag-free interiors. The rivetless interior design prevents food buildup, making both cooking and cleaning easier. 5. Sustainable manufacturing. With its eco-friendly materials and reduced emissions, this pan supports a healthier planet while delivering top-notch performance. Benefits of the GreenLife Ceramic Nonstick Frying Pan. 1. Healthier meals. Cook with less oil and enjoy toxin-free meals that retain their natural flavors. 2. Stylish and functional. The sleek design, combined with ergonomic features, makes this pan both a practical tool and a kitchen centerpiece. 3. Multi-purpose cooking. From sautéing vegetables to frying eggs, this pan handles a variety of cooking tasks with ease. 4. Long-lasting durability. The robust construction ensures the pan maintains its performance and appearance even with daily use. 5. Easy monitoring. The tempered glass lid allows you to keep an eye on your food without disrupting the cooking process. Perfect for everyday cooking. The GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 12-inch Frying Pan is ideal for a variety of dishes. Breakfast. Fry eggs, prepare omelets, or make crispy bacon. Lunch. Sauté vegetables, grill sandwiches, or whip up stir-fries. Dinner. Pan-sear chicken, simmer sauces, or create one-pan meals. This pan is versatile enough to handle it all, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Final thoughts. The GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 12-inch Frying Pan Skillet with Lid is more than just a frying pan. It's a commitment to healthier cooking and a more sustainable planet. Its innovative design, toxin-free materials, and eco-friendly construction make it a standout choice for anyone who loves to cook. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this skillet is a reliable, stylish, and eco-conscious addition to your kitchen. Don't miss the chance to elevate your cooking game. Click the link in the description below to order your GreenLife frying pan today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.